Hey, what's up guys? After announcing Realme XT smartphone bearing 64MP quad camera setup in China, Realme is all set to introduce Realme XT in India and other countries. Recently, the company has announced to launch Realme XT smartphone in India at an event to be held in New Delhi on September 13th. It will be India's first smartphone with a 64MP quad camera setup. In China, Realme XT introduced in two color options, blue and white, and features a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display with a water drop notch design. It comes equipped with a Snapdragon 712 AIE processor along with Adreno 616 GPU. It will pack a 8GB of LPDDR4 of RAM with 128GB of UFS 2.1 storage option. Further, the smartphone features a HyperBoost 2.0 technology that consists of System Boost, Game Boost and App Boost. For the front, it comes with a 16-megapixel sensor to shoot great selfies. On the rear camera front, it sports a quad camera setup with a combination of the recently introduced 64-megapixel Samsung ISO Cell GW1 primary sensor with an aperture of f1.8. 0.8 micron pixel size and 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens with 119° with an aperture of f2.25 and a 1.12 micron pixel size, and there are two 2-megapixel sensors with f2.4 where one is a depth sensor. Samsung GW1 image sensor is larger than that of the current line of 48MP sensor and uses 4-in-1 pixel merging tetracell technology to merge 16MP images into one and thus providing a 64MP shot. The smartphone runs an Android 9 based color OS 6.0 and comes packed with a 4000 mAh of battery along with WOOC 3.0 flash charge support. It also features an in-display fingerprint sensor and has a face unlock feature as well. So these are the confirmed details of Realme XT. Realme XT is a complete package for the price it is been coming with. So hope you like this phone. Whatever you feel about this phone, please comment in the comment section and do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.